मुरगांव बंदरार अनलोडिंग आणि थंयच्यान हार्डवर जावपी कोळशाक लागून मुरगांव वास्को शारांत धुल्लाचें प्रदूषण जाता। कितलींशींच वर्सां जालीं हो प्रश्न हुमकळटा। हायकोर्ट आणि प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान सुद्दां दखल घेवन जाली, परिस्थिती सुदारना।
Even Orissa and other places, हे pollution control बोर्डाचे लोक objection हाडटाय आणि आमी गोंया ओके हाय समना काय तुमी Goan people are silent. The moment they get up, you will come to know. We are objecting to this total coal hub. All this business is a sinister plan to destroy Goa. Please remember that we are not with you. All these objections, whatever people have raised, there are EIA which has been now this EIA to get the whole pollution the clearance, the pollution clearance is a fraud. So we are opposed to it. Goans are opposed to it. Please put my objection as a Goankar and as a MLA. Thank you.
GFDOचो एक्टिविस्ट फादर हरमीत रिबोलो म्हणटा सरकार जबाबदार।
आमचे गोय कितें केले आनी हो कोल हँडलिंग इतले थोडे आसतना इतलो मेळ आनी जेन्ना आतां तुमी जस्ट टू प्लीज ए इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टांक आदानी असल्या मनशांक यू वॉन्ट टू डिस्ट्रॉय द होल ऑफ गोवा to support one man.
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग जाता बोरायता किती नोट द ब्लड ऑफ
it is better that you do away with one man and send the whole state of Goa.
लोकांनी मुरगांव बंदरार बेशिस्त कोल हँडिंग आणि पोल्युशनाचो इशू वयर काढलो।
I went just now to the port and I can prove a fact. तुम्ही हांगा आहा मीडिया हांगा आहा तुम्ही जरी बायस ना जाल्यार म्हज्या बरोबर चला I will show you that there is a frame but there is no tarpaulin on that and it is still going on right now here.
EIA ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन लोकांक कळटा ते थळावे भाशेंत जाय म्हूण मागणी आयली।
On the same count, I am requesting you again to postpone the public hearing until local languages and the required panchayat in 10-kilometer radius is served with copies. I think it is not only me and my fishermen union in Goa is asking for this demand. Here we have the Congress who is present. Here we have the NCP which is present. Here we have the Aam Aadmi which is present. Therefore, this is almost 80% of the people's demand that we want a local language EIA draft notification.
MPT'चो नवो प्रकल्प येत जाल्यार दिसाक 7 लाख लिटर उदक लागतले। पयलींच उदकाक मारामारी, तातूंत आनी भर नाका म्हूण आर्ग्युमेंटूय आयलो।
Source and competing users, unit KLE. Am I right, sir? If I am going wrong with that, and the answer is yes. Details thereof is the requirement shall be met from existing allocation of Goa PWD for existing operations. About 700 KLD of water would be required for full operation. 700 KLD means 7 lakh liters per day of PWD water. Sir, आमचे first of all, sir, कर्नाटका आमचे मादे रिवर डायवर्ट करपाक सोदता। आमचे एक्विफायर जे वॉटर सोर्सेस आसा ते मायनिंगाक लागून ते पाड पडला तांचे। आमचे वास्को गंगा आमकां डेली उदक ना आणि हे 7 lakh liters 7 KLD of water they want to use for just to spray on the dust on the coal. So 7 lakh liters means about 1000 families udok's daily consumption and only one person, one company is going to use so much of water only to spray on those coal heaps. What is this, sir? And have they conducted any study of the source? What is the water requirement? Who are the competing users? What is the water supply position in Vasco area? For how many hours we are getting water?
Objection has been recorded in the minutes and the EAC will decide on that. Environment Impact Assessment Committee has no right to decide whether this is required to be in cooking or whatever, and it is, the summary is provided in cooking and
Again, if you don't have
प्रुडंटा खातीर दिशान परब।